The 3 most common cuts for an orange. I'm going to show you how to do that in your kitchen right now. The top of the orange here, we're going to make an even slice straight down on both sides. Now with the orange standing up, we're going to do what's called supreming. We're going to basically come in with our knife and follow the natural curve of the orange, and that's going to peel it the fastest. And I'm using the next line in front. You'll notice here, I'm using that line as a guide to peel off the rest of the orange. I'm just going around in a circle and slowly peeling everything off. And then, if you have any excess like this, you can go back through and just hack it off. Well, for our first cut, we're gonna do orange segments. What I want you to pay attention to is this vein right here. There's one on each side. They go all the way down. You're gonna take your knife at an angle. Now you're not gonna push down with the knife, you're just gonna slowly saw in right in front of that vein until the knife stops. You'll feel the knife stop. Do the same thing to the other side, just change your angle and come down until the knife stops, and you'll see that it'll naturally just pull that segment right out for you. Do it again to this one, and I'm just gonna keep working in between all the veins all the way down the orange. For the next one, you're gonna take your segment and we're gonna just cut little triangular cuts all the way through, and you'll be left with nice little triangles. Those are awesome for garnish on salads. Just like that. Now for our last cut, orange wheels. You take your supremed orange. You're gonna start from the bottom, gonna go about 1/4 of an inch. You're just gonna cut straight down the orange, just like this. You're left with some beautiful orange wheels. And those are the 3 most common cuts you're going to see for an orange. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Check out my channel. I also do recipe videos as well.